What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video rebuilding a Ferrari F430. We got this car from a salvage auction with the front end collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1 through 4, I'll put a link in description so you guys can check it out. Live auction, us picking up the car and all the way to this point. In this video, we're gonna start the painting process. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this paint job 100% perfect. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart and start the painting process. And also, if you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Now for this talk, and let's get to work. Got the Ferrari in the shop so we could start taking everything apart, getting this car ready for paint. I gotta remove the headlight, fix the bumper, but let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So front end, we're all done, just the bumper. Got some minor cracks, so I gotta repair all this, remove all the grills, and then remove the headlight. And we're ready for paint. Remove the bumper and the headlights, so we're done with the Ferrari, and I gotta remove everything from the bumper. Let me show you the bumper, guys. Here's the bumper, so I gotta remove all the grills, headlight washer nozzle, all kinds of goodies, and then I gotta do minor repair right here so we could primer the bumper, and then we'll paint everything out once. Let's continue working. We're getting ready to start painting the Ferrari. Unfortunately, we're not gonna paint the Ferrari here. We're too busy, got a lot of paint jobs. Andre just can't get to it, and I want to paint this car ASAP. It's been overdue a long time ago, but it's all together. We're gonna take this car back to our old shop in Laguna Beach and have Jose paint the car. They're extremely slow right now. Worked out perfect for us. We're busy and they're slow, so we'll take the car to them. Jose will do his magic and the car's gonna look like nothing ever happened. Then we'll pick up the car back and I'll start putting the car back together and get this thing ready, you know? So that's the plan. So let's go and drop off the car and we'll go from there. You guys were asking how's Jose doing. Jose is doing good. Maestro Chingon. He's back on his feet, rocking and rolling. So yeah, we're gonna drop off the Ferrari. He's gonna paint this, make it look like nothing ever happened, like brand new. So do your magic, Mr. Jose, and we'll see you very soon. Just got to Laguna Beach to pick up our Ferrari, and man, it looks nice. Let's check it out. Look at this. Everything is painted and ready to go. So we're gonna install the hood and the bumper, and we'll just drive the car back to the shop, and then we'll put everything back together. We just brought the car back to the shop. Jose killed it. Looking good, so we could start putting the car back together. Check it out. Look how nice it looks. Woo! I love that black color. Black color is not my favorite, but this one looks pretty good with the Scuderia front bumper. Let's start putting this bad boy together and get this pretty much ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Let's go. Got Mr. Christian in the house. He's gonna start detailing the Ferrari, do his magic, and make this car look like brand new again. Let's take a look what she looks like. So he's gonna wash her, detail, do 3 steps polish, so it's gonna shine bright like a diamond. Almost done. Then after that, the car is ready for delivery. Let's go. We're officially finished with this build, and wow, it came out beautiful, washed, detailed, and ready to go. Looks super aggressive with the Scuderia front bumper. So let's go around and I'll show you exactly what we did. If you guys remember, we bought this car from a salvage insurance auction with the front end damaged. The bumper was damaged, the hood was damaged, fender, and floor and body panel. So we end up repairing the hood. We got a new fender, we got a Scuderia bumper, new floor and body panel. So everything looking super good. So let's go around and I'll show you the rest of the car. So the sides were perfect, so we didn't do anything to the sides. The diffuser had little damage, so we end up repairing the diffuser and respraying it, so the back end looks amazing, clean. And then one of the wheels had a little bend, so we end up sending the wheel for recondition and they're able to fix it. So everything is good up here. So this is what she looks like. What's special about this car? This car comes with 6-speed gated manual transmission, so that's somewhat rare for this car, and I believe there's few of them on eBay for sale, and they all go over 200,000. Very special car. So let's take a look at the interior. Interior is in very good condition. Car has 20,000 miles, so somebody really took care of it. And the best part, the manual gated transmission. So this is what makes this car very special. So we're officially done with this build. So I want to say thank you to you guys, whoever watched this whole entire rebuild. Thank you very much. And if you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!